Hello makeup lover, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. If not, my name is Malene. I am a makeup artist from Denmark living in Barcelona in Spain. Now today I pulled out my Decadence palette and I did these two different looks to show you that you don't have to be afraid of the palette. You can actually make some colorful looks that are not super dominant, or at least that's what I think. But anyways, if you want to see how I did these different looks, then hang in there and I will show you. Now, if you like this video and feel inspired, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And if you like videos like these, please subscribe to my channel. Now, let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? I'm going to start off by showing you the palette so you can see the gorgeous colors. And I can smell the vanilla. It's the only palette that Pat McGrath has done with scent in it. Let's get going. I prepped my eyes with some Hourglass Veil eye primer, and I dipped my reference number 2 into the sterling shade. That's a silvery shade, and I'm going to use that as a highlight. I just put on a little bit, but because I don't want it to be too heavy. I dipped my reference number 27 into the Divine Mink. It's a very special color. It comes out as a grayish purplish color when you look at it in the pan, and when you dip your brush into it, it looks a little bit blue. But let's just place it here in the crease, or like over the crease. And I know that a lot of people are a little bit scared about this palette because it's all metallics, it's all shimmery colors, and it's very colorful, and you don't have any mattes at all. You don't have like transition shades, but with the Pat McGrath makeup you can blend it out with the eyeshadows. You can always blend it out so it's not so shimmery. So this was the first layer of the Divine Mink. I dipped my reference number 14 into the same shade, now putting it in the crease, concentrating it a little bit more, and it gives out some kind of duochrome effect because you can see the purple and you can also see the gray. It's very special. For certain, it's a one and done shade if you want to. You can do a lovely smoky eye with just putting this on the mobile eyelid and just blending it up into gray and into nothing, and it will be just gorgeous. I want to enhance the purple like shift or shade it has to it, so I'm going to use the Blue Blood with the same brush, reference number 14, and put that in my crease to deepen it up a little bit here and blend it into the Divine Mink, just like so. With my Smith brush number 256, I dipped into the sterling, the silver, and I'm gonna lay it on from the inner corner and all over here, the mobile lid. I'm just gonna lay it on ever so gently and pull it out here. Dip my reference number 14 into the Blue Blood again and putting it in the outer corner, as you can see, and blending it into the sterling, the silvery shade. Same brush now with a little bit of Divine Mink on, and using that as the eyeliner for the lower lash line. I'm pinching the brush so I don't have to use a smaller brush. I might as well use this one, and I'm just putting it all over the lower lash line here, like so. Pinching the brush again, now with some blue blood, and just putting it on the outer half here, just to darken that up a little bit. Back with some mascara and concealer on, and now I'm going to go off cam and put some false lashes on. Back with the false lashes on, and here you have it, the finished look. I chose not to put some eyeliner on because I thought that this was enough, and you can really see the gorgeous colors mixing into each other, and I like it. Now for the next eye. I'm going to start the same way with putting a little bit of the silvery color sterling under my brows here with reference number 2. I just want it to be a shimmery effect, not a line of silver. Starting with the Underworld, I think it's called, the dark blue color on my Smith 256, and putting it on the outer corner here, and just blending it into the middle, but mostly concentrating the color on the outer corner here, not going over my crease, just up to the crease, and that's it. I noticed a bit of fallout with the eyeshadow, so I put on some loose powder under my eye. Not that I am wearing any makeup under the eye, but just so I don't have to remove that. Same brush, Smith 256, with a bit of a warmer color. I think this is the hedonistic one. I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna put that on here, and when you use this brush, it is just, I think I said it before, excellent for shimmers like these. It really packs a punch. And of course, we all know that Pat McGrath shimmers and eyeshadows in general, they pack a punch. Here we go. I brushed off my 27 reference brush, and now I'm just gonna blend out these two colors into the crease. Not adding anything extra, just blending them out into the crease. Dipped into the taupey shimmery color and adding that into the crease here and blending it upwards ever so gently. Brushed off the loose powder, and now I'm gonna spice up the makeup with the Lapis Luxury, the turquoise color, and I'm doing that by using the reference number 3 pencil brush. I love this color. It's so gorgeous. It's blue and turquoise like. I brushed off the eye pencil brush and dipped into the Inferno, I think it's called. It's kind of mimicking what I did on top with some lighter colors. So on top we have the dark blue and the pinkish red color, and down here we have the more turquoise and more orangey color. And I'm just mixing it into the Lapis Luxury here. Dipping reference number 2 into the sterling color again, using that as a highlight this time. Just putting it under into the inner corner, sorry. Like this. This look deserves an eyeliner, so I dipped my Morphe E38 into some Miron liquid and the Underworld, the dark blue eyeshadow. I'm just gonna do like half a liner here. Just gonna turn my head so I can see what I'm doing, and hopefully you can see it too. Back with some mascara and some concealer under the eyes. This is what it looks like. It's fairly neutral, even though you have some colors going on the eyelid. I'm going to come back with some false lashes on. Back with some lashes on. So this is a finished look, and if you feel like it's missing something, I want to amp it up a little bit, you can do that for sure. I'm going to show you how to amp it up a little bit with the underwool, with the blue color in the crease here in the outer corner, just to deepen it up a little bit. That can make a difference. Here you have the two different eye looks, so you can see the difference in the color and what it does. I'm going to go off cam and put on some more makeup so you can see this with a full face of makeup. This is the final look, or the final looks, with some more makeup on. And on my cheeks I put on the Divine blush in the color Nymphette. On top of that I put on two colors from the highlighting trio. I mixed the golden and the pink shade. And on my lips I have Lux Trans in the color Beautiful Creature. And now I'm going to put on my glasses so you can see what it looks like with glasses on. I'm just checking for reflections. So as you can see, you don't have to be afraid of the Decadence palette. Not in any way. You can make some more toned down look if you want to. I hope you liked this video and feel a little bit inspired. And if you did, then please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And if you like videos like these, please subscribe to my channel. Now, thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. And I wish you an awesome day. Bye. Mwah.